Other.
Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
That one has that thing that takes you around.
Yeah. All right. People coming down, people going up. All right, so just take in this. Huh?
Deer?
Yeah, when you get close to the end, on your left.
Okay, good. Thanks.
Thanks.
Oh, probably said that because you're recording.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. It's only scary when
They
we
said
started out, right?
There's a deer to our left.
Yeah.
Let's see.
So you're still scared?
And ran away already.
It's not scary. It's only when
When
you're
you're about to get on.
you're starting off and crossing over the pool over there. But once you guys, this is a lot of fun. A bit scary in the beginning, but now we are okay going up.
Yeah.
What do you call this? Higher lift? What do you call this thing?
I don't know.
Ski lift?
A ski? Yeah, like if you're going up the mountain to ski. This is
Yeah.
what takes you up the mountain. Yeah.
Yep. In the winter time, they just hop on this thing.
Does this come down? Yeah, it does.
Yeah, so it could block you from the sun, I think.
Yeah,
But
we're
nobody-
good, we're good.
But nobody has theirs on.
Probably protects you from the snow when it snows.
Yeah, this is a little
Or the
scary
rain.
anyway, right? What if something
What do you mean? What if something like what?
like a
what
line? These are
Okay.
some heavy duty
happens?
lines.
You mean like if it pops?
Yeah. But it's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. Right?
Yeah,
it's crossing
Not
over.
for me, but because it's age, it's like
I can tell you guys don't get on roller coasters.
I love roller coasters.
Oh,
When
stop
when
it.
What's so scary about
when
it?
I went to the Six Flags in Georgia, I wanted to get on everything. King the car.
What happened? It's stopping.
Why they
Probably
stop?
stop to let
Yeah,
people
you remember
know.
it happened before? When we were on it. It's gonna move. It's gonna move again.
This thing going.
It's gonna come. I think coming down gonna be less scary. Like coming down off the mountain, but it's like you're going like a woo. You're going up.
This is relaxing.
Yeah, just don't look down. Just enjoy the ride.
I'm not scared of heights.
Nice scenery, guys. Trees everywhere.
Are you scared of heights?
Nature is so beautiful. Up in here in the Pocono
Should
mountain.
have spread out.
Spread out, what you mean? Like over there?
Yes.
Like everybody's
Feel like
on this side.
Tilting this way.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. You should have stayed in the middle. You too. Yeah, so one should be over
The
there.
last thing you want to do is drop your phone.
Hey, you're gonna have to watch your bush to come up here. Are they gonna allow you to?
Hmm?
Are they gonna allow
can
you
really
to
hear the
come
wind
look
go
for it?
from here.
Where you gonna find it?
It's so beautiful with the little flowers.
Yeah.
Mom,
Yeah,
hold
what's-
on
what's
to
that
that
small?
GoPro.
It's not gonna fall. This is magnet. Stick it in like that. It snaps in.
So if you drop it, it's not gonna fall.
Well, it could.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is that's it. We're gonna come up here to come look for it. So,
Quiet up here.
you don't like the quiet too much? Too quiet?
No, I'm just saying it's very quiet compared to down there.
You know, some people like the bush like this. They like to be off
In the nature.
the grid.
Especially those scientists. You ever seen them?
Yep. Oh wow.
So it's gonna swing us back around, or we gotta get
There's
off?
a house up there
You can
where
get off
somebody
and then
gonna
you
be
look at
talking
what's
to
at
you.
the
Oh.
That way. That's what it looked like?
Where is it?
So thing is tilted.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
really?
I feel like I'm lower. She said to spread out when we set up.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's like all our weight is on this
Over
thing.
this
Let's
side.
hurry
Oh,
up and
that's
get
not
off of
good.
This thing.
Yeah, so bathroom in there.
Yes.
Stand up. Hey! What was that all about?
Time to get off it.
So this is it. So we are on the top. You can, if you want to walk around, see what it's like up here. So guys, you see how far we're coming from all the way down there up to the mountain and the ski lift.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me.
Alright, going down the lazy river.
You still have that, bro. I don't want none of that business. Thank you very much.
Yes guys, going down the lazy river at Camelbeach. Say cheers.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.